Come to the mud trials, he said, it'd be a good idea. So like always, we got there late and I didn't do an intro. Also missed Cameron's first race. I did get to see another standards class race and then the buggies, and I can tell you, it's so much cooler in person. After all the racing, me being me, had to go check out the pub and have tea. Once we got back, Cameron started showing me around his territory, and it was about then we noticed a problem that kept us up past midnight. What is it? Midnight fixing broken engine mounts. Engine mount brackets.
Yeah, for the time. Yeah, welcome to Territoryoffroad.
Come to the mud trials, he said, it'd be a good idea. Next minute. Next day, after that late night, I finally got to have a decent look around this weapon of a territory, and it's definitely one of a kind.
It's just shit stir.
Yeah, there's these fucking chains, man, look. It's insane. Exhaust out the back window. So just like the beginning, I didn't really do any ending to this video. It was a great weekend. Like, I can't stress to you enough, if you get the chance to get out there and see this, get out there and have a look. The whole town transforms for it. Cameron, I didn't get to see his last race. It was a 6-hour drive each way for us, and we only had the weekend. He won the Australian titles, I think it was, for that, and he got the #1 with the Australian outline that he gets to put on the car now, and that was cool to see. I know he was stoked for that. That's what he'd been working for, and that Territory was a weapon of a car to see. Wasn't without a few dramas, of course. I think at the end, I think he bent a toe arm in the end as well in the last race that I didn't get to see. But we'll definitely be back to do this again because that was so much fun. Hopefully I can get out there and actually film a bit better this time, because I didn't like, every time I go somewhere for the first time I sort of hesitant with who I film and what people want me filming them and so forth. So yeah, next time I'll get a bit more behind the scenes and a bit more of how the whole weekend played out. You camp at the track, it's cost you bugger all. So yeah, as I say, if you can get out and see it, get out and see it because it's wicked. But that's going to end this video. I got lots of things to do in this shed. As you can see, it looks like a tornado come through here and start heaps of stupid projects over here and there, and yeah. But I'm going to get back to that and yeah, catch you in the next video.